Hello and welcome back to my channel from Memphis, Tennessee. So we just pulled up to a place we weren't expecting to pull up to. I don't even know the name of it, but I'll insert it here so you know. But we just parked and we're gonna go in because it's like down the street from our Airbnb. Winning. Ah, there's a sign that says spring plants. That's what we want.
That's mine anyway, right?
Huh?
That's mine anyway, right?
Sure.
I picked it. I want it.
Ow. Is he in a picture?
No.
Video?
It's a video.
All right, so we are back from this plant shop we found, and I'm gonna show you what we got. You are always yawning. Are you tired? We got this guy. Let me open it. All right, we got this Alocasia calidora. Pretty, right? Jay claimed it as his. It's got a new leaf that's unraveling there. It's got some babies. He picked it out. It looks really healthy. We inspected it for bugs and it looks like it's doing pretty good. Look at that. Nice white healthy roots. I'm so excited to get it potted up. Looks like it's peat moss. So I might try to grab me some peat moss, cocoa peat when we get back home. That was a super cute place. Again, I'm gonna insert the name here below so you guys can check them out if you're ever in Memphis. I think they might be a pop-up shop. There was just like a little tent where we paid and then there wasn't an indoor space. So I'm assuming they're seasonal. And because it is the start of spring, he said that they just got all these plants delivered in yesterday. We were excited to hear that because I looked them up, or I looked up a few plant shops in the area and I didn't see that one. So I was really glad that it was like right down the street from our Airbnb. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for joining us on a little tour of this plant shop we found in Memphis. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments in the comment section, you know where to leave them. I'm getting mud all over the table. And if you guys are new to my channel and you like planty stuff, be sure to subscribe and let me know if you guys have any requests for any videos that you'd like to see. Thanks again for joining us on this awesome road trip journey The past few videos have been nothing but us traveling, and I appreciate all of you guys that have followed along, but we're excited to get back home and get ready for spring in Chicago. Yay! All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.